basically the other day I went to the beauty supply store, and guess what? I got some of my favorite products. I've been waiting forever to put my hands on this, if you can see. And I also got the shampoo and conditioner because I'm the type of person that likes to buy the whole set to give it a try. So I'm going to try out the Creme Nature Clay and Charcoal to see how it does with my hair. I'm already a Creme Nature fan, so you already know how I feel about Creme Nature. And my hair right now, okay, the last wash and go video that I uploaded for y'all, it's been here and I just throw it into a puff. So my hair is pretty dirty because I just kept stretching it along. And actually, don't judge me y'all, but I went to the water park like last week, and that's when I had throw it into a puff. So I didn't even really have time to wash it after the water park. So don't be like me, don't be a dirty girl. So let's get into this video, okay y'all? Let me do that. So first it says that I need to put this because it's a pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask. So the instruction says that I should put this on my hair before shampooing for about 10 minutes. So I'm about to do that, and I'll see y'all next clip. So it's been 10 minutes and I am going to take it out so that I can wash my hair. It's a little interesting. It has an interesting feeling. Feels like clay. So let's see. So far, I like the way my hair feels. It came back to my natural curl pattern, and I will tell you more. I'm about to go detangle my hair because you know you gotta detangle your hair, that's key. And I will tell you guys more about the product at the end of my video. See you then. Hey y'all, so basically I've just got done washing my hair with the Creme Nature Clay and Charcoal collection, and I've been using this product for about a month now. I wanted to wait a little bit after I use this product to give you guys a bit of a review. I've been using this product, like I said, for about a month, and me personally, I really love Creme Nature. I love Creme Nature. I'm trying to like test out other products, but it's hard because I've tried other products and it just didn't work out for me. But I have one in mind that I want to try, but we're gonna talk about this review. This clay mask, y'all, it's bomb. Okay, bomb.com. First of all, it smells so divine. Like I love products that smells good. So it smells so good. It smells delicious. And the pre-shampoo, I've used it like at least 3 times in the past month because I've been washing my hair a lot lately, because I've been doing a lot of slick ponytails because I've been so into it this summer. So I've been washing my hair at least once a week, and this clay mask have been the truth, okay? Because I feel like all that product that I put in my hair for the slick ponytail, it just get rid of it by just, like it says, detoxifying it and just ripping the product that I put in my hair out or whatever. And also, like I said, is my hair has been like in slick ponytail, so it's been like really crunchy, I guess, because, you know, I've been trying to make it real holding and whatnot, and it loosened up my hair really bad. One, you're supposed to part your hair into sections. So the way I've done this is I personally just put it all over the peripheral or whatever, because, you know, my hair is molded down or whatever. So I just let that part loosen up, and then I go and separate where I can to put this or whatnot. And then the shampoo, I love this shampoo because it got the charcoal, of course, and it has the aloe vera juice, and aloe vera is so slimy, right? So this shampoo, I love it because it's so slimy. It feels like snot. So when I put it in my hair, it just like glistens all over my hair, and it feels so good. And I feel like I'm actually putting enough product. First of all, I don't do dime size because my dome is a little too big, so I don't do dime size. I do a glob, okay? It takes like this whole thing. So it just feels really good. And the conditioner, I'm not too crazy about this conditioner, but for me to get the whole feel of the collection, I use all of it. And, you know, I guess the conditioner did its job. It also has aloe vera juice in it, but I don't really know much about conditioning. Even though you're supposed to condition your hair, I do dip condition, but the regular condition that comes with the, you know, I don't really care for them. They be saying to leave it for 5 minutes. Sometimes I don't do that. So but I'm really crazy about the mask and about the shampoo, because this shampoo is also the truth. And I think that you guys should try this out, especially like the mask for sure. I would say for you to use this mask when you have a lot of buildup. And I think like people that has like dandruff and things like that, I think this will more than likely help them, because it also has apple cider vinegar in it, so that's really good to detoxify your hair also, if you just wanted to do a cleanse, because apple cider cleanse is really good to just get through your pores and open up your pores and things and so forth. So I really like this mask. I really do like this mask. It's like, it's everything. And yeah, so I would definitely recommend getting the mask and the shampoo for sure out of this collection. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video, and also kiki with me in the comments, you know. So get with it. Bye.